Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what you can see that there is a continuous rise in the price of crude since December. Okay, after this particular range has break upside, we have seen there is a continuous rise, and this rise has come after level of 72. And if you check my previous video, I have already told you that the price if sustain above a level of 69, we can see it can go further high. Okay, and after this particular range break down upside, we have seen that it has made a high of around 88.83. okay, so suppose if the now it is trading in this particular zone. Okay, and zone high is around 88.83 and the low is coming at around 86.14. so before that, if you have any doubt regarding crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in crude and other commodities are working. Okay, and please watch the full video, then you will understand. Okay, and if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join now. Look at the chart. Okay, looking at the chart, what we can see, this crude is moving in this particular range for some time, quite some time. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level. Okay, suppose if the price sustain a level of 88.52, now trading at around 88.13. suppose if it sustain this level, the probability of touching towards 88.56 will be high, and these levels are already tested here, so chances of going high towards 88.83 is high. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can come down to a level of, if it can go further high. Okay, I'll show you where all it can go, because it is not a high that has made since 7 years. So if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 90.19. okay, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 91.35, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 91.87. suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 92.90, and from there we can see it can go further high to a level of 93.54. okay, and from there we can see it can go further high to a level of 95.87. okay, and it can go further high if it sustain this level. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, again I repeat, if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go to a level of 90.19, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 91.22. okay, and suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see a level of 91.87. from there we can see a level of 92.90, and once this level sustain, and these levels are already tested here, so chances will be very high, we can see it can go further high to a level of 95.74, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 97.80 also. okay, and if it goes above this level, you can check my previous video where I explain if the price goes above 97 where it can go. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can come down to a level of 87.03, and if this level didn't sustain, then we can see it can come down to a level of 85.35 also. okay, and from there it can come down to a level of 84.93. okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 77. Understand one thing, 85 is a very strong support. If the price sustain above this level, we can see it is on the bullish trend, but if it goes below this level, then it can touch a level of 84.93, and if this level breaks downside, we can see a level of 77.34, which is also a very strong resistance, because this is the resistance 7-year high it is. okay, so it has crossed upside, then only it has touched the level of 88.83. okay, high. Now if it sustain our level above a level of 85.86, we can see it can go further high towards 90 also. okay, and I'll show you 1-year chart, you will understand more clearly. okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 86.96, and from there we can see a level of 85.20. okay, if it goes below a level of 86.14, it can come down to a level of 85.32. suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 83.31, and from there we can see a level of 82.25. suppose if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 81.66, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 79.43. okay, and if the price didn't sustain this level also, then we can see it can come down to a level of 79.19, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 77.42, and strong support. Understand one thing, if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 75.30, and from there we can see a level of 73.89, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 70.59 also. And if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 69.53, and from there we can see a level of 67.799 also. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Now understand one thing: if you are trading with $10,000 of capital, and if you are trading 5 times, and always use 10 to 15% capital per trade, or you can reduce it if you are a beginner or even you are intermediate. Okay, suppose if, and your risk should be 0.5 to 1%, that is around $50 to $100. That means if you trade 3 times and you made loss, then you know that your loss is around 150 to 300. Okay, and you make profit in 2 of your trade, then it is not your burden. It is not a burden that you made big amount and then you need a very good profit in order to recover that amount. You don't need to recover the amount. Understand one thing, that is why I am telling you, define your risk and then trade. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I do workshop also, you can attend that. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.